Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to slow roll on the TFT game or the Teamfight Tactics game. So the first thing that you'd like to do, of course, is just go and open your TFT game. If you haven't already downloaded, if you don't, you'll have to go and download it through the Riot client. And if you don't even have the Riot client downloaded into your PC, you will have to go and download that through whatever browser you're using. Of course, you can just go once you open your browser. Of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any or whatever browser you want. Then you can just go into this URL section and then make sure to type download Riot Client, download League of Legends, download TFT. All of those three that I said will take you into the same link that will download the Riot Client for you. Once it downloads, install it, and then open it up. Of course, you can just go and open it through search or through the desktop icon. Once it's opened, you will find yourself in a home screen or a main screen like this one. Of course, here you will find the game that is already installed into your PC. If you have the Teamfight Tactics, just go on the top. If you don't, you'll have to scroll down it a bit until you find this all games. Once you are here, make sure to click at the Teamfight Tactics right here, and then just go and you can install it through the League of Legends if you want to use this on PC or play it on PC. Through the App Store if you want to play it on your iPhone, of course the phone, or through the Google Play if you want to play it on your Android. Of course, once it's downloaded, just go on the top. Then they will ask you to log in into your account. So if you have an account, make sure to log in into it. But if you don't have an account, just go and create an account. Of course, you'll have to go and create an account through the browser as well. You cannot create your account here. So just go to the URL section again and type like create League of Legends account or create a TFT account and or even create a Valorant account. It will create the same account because you will need a Riot account. So once it's created, just go and enter the game and go look for a game for yourself. Once you're here at this game, make sure, of course, you find yourself on a board like this. And here, if you want to roll, make sure to refresh your shop everyone. So let's say you are in this round, make sure to refresh. And once you refresh it, your champions will be refreshed. I don't know why they are telling me to reconnect, so let's just ignore that. So of course, make sure to click refresh once per round, and that's how you actually stroll lore in this game. So that's actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.